So since I'm not there to add the Instagram direct with you on your phone, so this is what you are going to do for me. So just search for TikTok, go on TikTok. Then when you get to your profile like this, then click on edit profile. Once you click on edit profile, look at after bio, then look at the links where it says links, then click on it. Then it's going to take you to all here where you see the website, the Instagram, and the YouTube. So if you want to add your Instagram now, all you just have to do is click on add. That is the Instagram. So it's going to tell you to enter your Instagram username and password. After loading, just give it a minute and you see the interface. All right, so you can see, so you just have to insert your phone number. You're logged into your Instagram anyway, then you logged in. So after logging in, then it's to show direct that your Instagram is linked, and you can do the same thing for the YouTube. For now, I have your website there, you can see. So I have your website on it now. So if you come to your home here, you see below the bio, you see links to your website there. So, and I just post one video.
Achalugo, I already know how this is going to end between both of us. Achalugo, I'm going to make you my customer whether you like it or not. You see, other vendors might have tried and failed, but you see me, I'm going to try and I'm going to succeed. Because I'm not here to stay in your life temporarily, I'm here to become your permanent vendor. All those things that you are looking for in other vendors, I am ready to give you everything because now you're satisfied.
Run advert promotion, I could just click on increase the view. All right, then I will just click on sales. So they will ask me if I want it to land on your website, but I don't think so. So I might just look for maybe like contact or something. Maybe they should contact you on WhatsApp. So you can check here for more if you want them to call you or contact us. Then you can think of any best option, right, depending on what you are posting. So here I could just save. All right, this is what the product. So one creative, then define your audience. TikTok choose for you. You can let TikTok choose for you. All right, and if you want to like choose for yourself custom, you click here. Then the kind of people you want them to meet, is it male or female, you choose. The age range, you can choose from here, right? If you want all age range, that is it, is on all. So interested people, then you can decide to select the people that you want them to have interest on it. Then you can save, right? And this is it. You can choose how much you want to be spending per day. If it is 2,000 per day, if you are running it for just one day, then you go ahead and run it, right? But for me, because TikTok is very, very good in directing, then there is how they arrange the algorithm. The algorithm can actually help you to target your audience. So I will just click on the one they choose for me. Then since this is just me trying to do something, I will just like say a budget 2,000 per day. Then I could select maybe 2 days. So I will select day. So this is the amount they are going to ask you with there's a fee you are going to pay for using this service. The fee is already out. So if your advert is showing, this is how you are going to see, you see. So if your advert is showing, this is how it's going to pop out to people. So I will go back now, and so there is other promotion package, right? There is other promotion package. So this is the amount of people that is going to like click your button per day. Do you get? And this is it. But another thing again is, if you want to like add a link to it, so this is the one we choose. So in this place, your landing page, you can decide to get a landing page. I can decide to choose WhatsApp. So let me see if I will be able to choose WhatsApp. So I might try to get a WhatsApp something name. So let me see. So WhatsApp link. So if I get here, so I go on here, create a free. So I will click on this one. They are going to ask me for phone number, so I'm going to put your phone number. So I will just go to your Instagram page and pick maybe your phone number from there. So okay, so to edit it, I will edit it and cut out this is the one I need. Then I will take it to the website. All right, then the message I want people to see. So the message I want or from TikTok, TikTok ads. I need wig. I want to buy a wig. I want to buy a wig. All right, so you can preview the message. Right, this is what you are going to get. So you see, from TikTok ad, I want to buy a wig. So anybody that wants to message you, that is what they will get. So here I'm going back here, then I will click on create. All right, so I just click on create now. Then I'm going to copy the link. So I'm going to take this link now to the ad. Let me see if it is going to accept or not. So I don't know if it's going to accept, but I'll click on done. Then I'll click on save. Right, I'll click on save. Then I'll click on the ad. So on the ad now, let me go to custom back. So the custom now. So this is the amount of custom promotion, 200 blah blah to per bottom. So so I'll just click on pay. I'll click on pay. All right, so they are going to bring this option out. So and this money now, I think is about maybe it's about $4 or so, or $5, depending on the rate. So I'll just click on like this and watch. You see, you're all set. Your purchase was successful. So you see, then I'll click on OK. So the advert is going to be on review. So the advert is going to be on review. Sometimes I like running two ads. I run one for getting sales, then I run one for views. Sometimes I even run ad for followers as well. So now you can see it's on review. So once they cross-check what we post, then they will let us know if the ad is being approved, right? So if I still want to run for view, I could just go there again, increase view, then increase view. Then I will just go to boost, then the view, right? The view, then I could select the first one you get, or I go to custom. So yeah, I could decide to select something like this. Then I pay. Right, then I pay. Then I click on it again, use my Face ID to pay, and we don't pay in, right? We don't pay in. So this is it, we are all set. So if they approve it, you are going to see your ad running. You start seeing it. Just wait for us to redirect us back home. So review as well. So the two ads now are reviewing.